Hello YouTube, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of an Advent Bluetooth tablet keyboard. This was purchased from my local UK PC World store for £19.99. Just have a close look at the box of the keyboard. There we can see that it does have Mac OS X keys. Just have a look at the back. There it says, the perfect companion for your smartphone or tablet. Compatible with all versions of Windows, and it also comes with a pair of AAA batteries as well. So first of all, let's get the old trusty knife and cut the tape. So the keyboard comes wrapped in bubble wrap. There we have some instructions on how to set the device up. And there's some more information on the back as well. We have a packet of 2 AAA batteries supplied, and then we have the actual keyboard itself in a cellophane wrap. So we'll just take it out of that. And then we have the keyboard. As I mentioned earlier, it does have keys for Mac OS X instead of Windows keys. When I looked at this product on the shelf, there was another alternative one, and it basically said, instead of Bluetooth tablet keyboard, it said multimedia keyboard, and that one actually had the Windows keys instead. Okay, so let's get some batteries in here and set it up. Okay, so the 2 AAA batteries are now installed in the battery compartment. Also on the bottom there is a connect button and an on-off switch, and in each of the 4 corners there are rubber feet so it doesn't slide around on the desk. And if we just flip it over and compare it to the Apple wireless keyboard, you can see that the dimensions are pretty much the same, and even the key sizes. The only slight difference is that in the UK we have this shape enter button, and this is more of a US shaped one. Okay, let's get it set up and connected to the Mac. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the Bluetooth menu on the iMac and select Set Up New Bluetooth Device. At the moment it's searching but it can't find anything, so what we need to do is to flip the keyboard over and press Connect. As soon as we press that, it's found. Okay, continue. Okay, now it's asking me to enter a code just to confirm. So it's 1 2 5 4 3 4 4 1, enter. Okay, so that is now connected. Congratulations, your computer is now set up to use your keyboard, and it's that simple. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. That's the Advent Bluetooth tablet keyboard. It's available from PC World in the UK for £19.99. I will put a link in the description below, and I will also put a link in the description for Advent's web page where you can find this product. Thanks very much for watching once again. Please like, subscribe, comment and share this video with all your friends.